wanna do some yoga?
Yeah! Okay. Ready? Go.
Oh god.
Okay, so this is my back, and then my lower back. Woo! Point your toe. Ready? Woo!
Yoga!
Okay. Okay, ready? Go. Oh my god. And look at the camera. Oh, you fell on my arm.
The struggle is real.
Oh wait, I'm on the other side. Are you? Yeah.
Oh my god.
No. Like,
Is my head
Wait,
here or your
wait.
No wait. No, yeah, you need your foot on my butt. You need your foot on my butt. No, you have to have your head is like no, you're facing my crotch. Okay. Yeah.
you have to do a bridge. Can you hold a bridge? Wait, feet together, dude. Feet together.
Really?
Yeah.
Goodness, this is so hard. Wait, you're not even in here.
Oh.
Oh. What?
Keep going. Okay. Oh, okay, I'm scared.
Don't do it. And can't hold it for long.
Oh my god, where's your foot?
Okay.
Let's try to keep together for 5 seconds. I need support there, okay? Keep it strong. Okay. Ready? Where's your foot?
I thought you fell, so I got up. Okay, take 3. We're gonna figure out how to do this.
Okay.
I look so bad, so little.
Okay, ready?
Okay. Are you still? This is so complicated. Maybe if you, you go first and I'll hold your legs.
Okay, and then you're gonna go into a bridge.
I'll go into a bit.
I can't go that fast. Wait. Okay. 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 One leg is down, and you're doing a bridge, and one leg is like.
Okay. Well, I had some. Okay, I have you in this position. Cool. I'm just gonna do a dog. No, okay. Do it again! No, because I'm not gonna do it backwards. I'm just gonna go doggy.
Okay.
Ready, go.
Where'd it go?
I'm on my head. One more time and then we quit. Set, go.
Almost up.
Keep it there. Keep it there.
Yeah, keep it. Keep it there. No, I got off. Okay, because the other leg.
Like and subscribe. Stupid car.
The struggle is real.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more of these yoga poses.
Thank you for watching.
Peace.